Can crocodiles really be raised on farms? Well, crocodiles are some of the fiercest animals, having robust power in their jaws. Despite this, they can be farmed and their eggs can be collected to help them hatch. They are allowed to mate and lay eggs in their big nests. Once they lay eggs, they are collected and left in the sand so they can hatch. After some weeks, little crocodiles come out, growing big when they eat several kilograms of fish every day. But how is this done? And how do farmers raise these crocodiles? Welcome back to another exciting episode of our channel. The Mechanicals brings you engineering marvels and little-known farming techniques that are revolutionizing the world in one way or the other. If you are new to the channel but enjoy learning about how technology and innovation shape the world's future, you will love to watch the videos we post on this channel. In this video, we will show you how farmers nest crocodiles and raise the little hatchlings. Let's get started. Crocodile farms are extremely spacious, having ponds, nesting sites, basking areas, and sand grounds for egg hatching. During the whole year, crocodile mating, egg laying, hatching, and raising continue. But let's see how it starts. After the crocodiles mate, within a few weeks to months, female crocodiles lay eggs. But they find a secret place where their eggs are protected. Hence, the farms have nesting sites which are more like compartments with a door at one end. Female crocodiles come into these nests and lay eggs. These nests are typically constructed near the water's edge, providing easy access for the crocodiles. During the breeding season, the females become particularly active and display certain behaviors indicating their readiness to lay eggs. They usually choose to nest during the night or early morning hours, seeking the cover of darkness for added protection. The female crocodile will enter the nest and excavate a hole in the ground using her powerful hind legs and tail. The size of the hole can vary depending on the species, but it is typically large enough to accommodate a clutch of eggs. Once the female crocodile feels the nest is safe, she enters a phase known as nesting trance. During this period, she becomes more focused and enters a semi-conscious state. This trance-like state allows her to concentrate on the egg-laying process without external distractions. In this vulnerable state, the female crocodile starts to lay her eggs, which can range in number from a few dozen to several hundred. She gently deposits each egg into the nest, ensuring they are positioned securely and properly aligned for optimal incubation. After laying her eggs, the female carefully covers them with soil, leaves, or vegetation, concealing the nest from potential predators. This action serves the dual purpose of protecting the eggs and providing them with the appropriate environmental conditions for incubation. The covering material also helps to maintain proper temperature and humidity levels within the nest. Once the farmers know the crocodiles have laid eggs, they collect them during the night. After laying eggs, the nest is left unattended, as crocodile mothers do not exhibit any form of parental care. Hence, the farmers collect the eggs during the night as crocodiles tend to be more active in their natural habitat. Under the cover of darkness, the farmers approach the nest site with caution, taking care not to startle or disturb the nesting female. It is crucial to maintain a respectful distance to ensure the safety of both the farmer and the crocodile. Before collecting the eggs, the farmer assesses the viability of the nest. This involves carefully examining the condition of the eggs, checking for any signs of damage, and ensuring the nest environment is suitable for incubation. With utmost care, the farmer gently excavates the eggs from the nest one by one, ensuring minimal disruption to the surrounding soil and vegetation. Before we continue further, tell us, are you loving the video? If yes, please like and share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos where we unveil breathtaking engineering and farming techniques. Let's continue now. Once eggs have been collected, they are transported to sand to mimic the natural environment and temperature. The farmers designate a specific area on the farm for incubating crocodile eggs. This area is carefully selected to provide the ideal conditions, including proper temperature and humidity levels. The sand in this area is specially prepared to mimic the natural nesting environment of crocodiles. A shallow pit is carefully excavated in the sand, creating a nest that resembles the depth and size of a natural crocodile nest. This pit serves as the artificial nest where the eggs will be buried. But for extra protection, eggs are kept in baskets and then leaves are put on them. Then they are buried. That the sand has a temperature of about 32 degrees Celsius, which is optimal for the eggs to hatch. On average, the incubation period can range from 60 to 90 days. Throughout this period, the farmers closely monitor the nest, regularly checking the temperature and humidity levels to ensure optimal conditions for embryonic development. As the incubation period nears its end, signs of hatching become evident. The eggs may exhibit slight movement or cracking, indicating that the hatchlings are preparing to emerge. It is important to avoid disturbing the nest during this critical phase, allowing the hatchlings to safely break free from their shells and make their way to the surface. After about 72 days, the farmers dig out the egg from the sand. Some of them would be already hatched, while others might need some assistance in hatching. This process requires patience and delicate handling to avoid causing any harm or stress to the young crocodiles. After collection, the hatchlings are placed in specially designed enclosures or rearing ponds. These areas provide a controlled and safe environment for the young crocodiles to grow and develop. The farmers closely monitor their health and provide appropriate feeding, ensuring they receive the necessary nutrition for their growth and well-being. Crocodiles are semi-aquatic reptiles and require access to water for their overall well-being. The rearing ponds are equipped with clean, shallow water sources that allow the hatchlings to swim, bask, and regulate their body temperature. These water sources are also essential for the hatchlings to practice their natural behaviors, such as hunting and exploring. Feeding is an essential process so the hatchlings can grow. The farmers provide a carefully balanced diet that replicates their natural prey items. This can include commercially available foods specifically formulated for crocodiles, as well as live or frozen prey such as fish, insects, and small mammals. Feeding schedules are established to ensure regular and appropriate nourishment. Even if the artificial feed can be used, the farmers ensure that the crocodile gets natural feed. Hence, seafood is given to these crocodiles throughout the day. Fish of every kind are ordered and distributed. The growing crocodiles mostly stay in ponds since they aren't grown yet to start mating. Hence, fish and other seafood are spread in these ponds and the crocodiles eat them actively. Every crocodile tries to get maximum feed, which encourages healthy competition among them. Not only that, but it keeps them fit instead of being lethargic since they are getting food without hunting. It can take about 4 to 15 years for the crocodile to become an adult, depending on the species. And when they become adults, mating can start, and they can start laying eggs, repeating the same process. Throughout this time, the crocodiles are closely observed to avoid any disease. Sufficient food is provided each day until they become adults. In some cases, live fish can be added to the ponds to encourage the crocodiles to hunt. However, as the crocodiles are living on farms, with limited space to hunt, adding fish to the pond doesn't make any difference. Crocodile farms are crucial as they are used as conservation sites for rare crocodile species. Not only that, but these farms can raise crocodiles for zoos and even for meat, skin, and bones, as all of them are profitable for the farmers. Some of the crocodiles can be selected for mating so they can bring more eggs and the cycle continues. Did you know crocodiles can be raised on farms? What do you think about egg hatching in the sand instead of being with the mother crocodiles? Let us know in the comment section right below. Do you have any advice you would like to give about crocodile farming? Do you want to watch more videos like this one? If yes, please like and share the video and subscribe for more videos on technological feats and farming advancements that are changing the world. Until the next video, stay tuned.